How much weight does pasta gain when boiled? In the diet my dietetician has prescribed me, I have amount of pasta allowed listed for dry, uncooked pasta. This is not a problem if I have the foresight to weigh the pasta before boiling, but it is a problem if I buy a dish with ready-made pasta or forget to weigh it before cooking, or just forget how much I had measured and didn't write down. Can you give me a rule of thumb estimate how much 75 grams of dry pasta weighs after it's boiled?
The accepted answer to the question, see link 1. About a closely related matter, how much water does pasta absorb? To obtain its result goes through a calculation involving direct answer to my question. 100 grams dry pasta turns into 100 grams asterisk 75 31st equals 242 grams of cooked pasta. And the estimate below from the nutrition facts is 1.4x, which probably corresponds to typical American overcooked pasta, a surprisingly large difference from mine. I'm guessing you'll be somewhere between, maybe 1.25x. Obviously getting the amount of pasta plus water involves simply increasing these factors by 1, so al dente will weigh 2.25x the original, and typical American overcooked pasta will be 2.4x the original weight. For my allowance of 75 grams that gives me 180 grams of overcooked pasta or 170 grams of al dente.